Learning that the court observed that the district administration ought to have treated the issue as an opportunity to bridge the gap between the communities through mediation. It further held that since the hill is a protected site, any activity carried out there must strictly comply with the provisions of the Act. The court clarified that the lamp may be lit and the number of persons permitted can be fixed, subject to consultation with the Archaeological Survey of India. Justice GR Swaminathan and KK Radhakrishnan of the Madras High Court, Madurai Bench uphold Justice GR when we're talking about Swaminathan's order regarding the lighting of a lamp on Deepathoon in the Thiruparankundram temple. Pardon me. Joining me on the telecast is Belly Thomas. Belly, take us through the details that are coming in terms of the statement and the ruling that has been given in terms of this, that the court suggests that there should be mediation to bridge this, and they have upheld the order by previous Justice Swaminathan's order, and they have allowed that this is subject to ASI's mandate as well.
Absolutely, Ria. So the court order also says that the district administration should have addressed this in a better way. That is, like, conducting a mediation session between the two parties that were opposing at that time. But however, the district administration chose to refrain these petitioners from going up the hill and actually perform that tradition of lighting the lamp on December 6th, and which they stated that they were fearing that a law and order issue could crop up, because a lot of people unexpectedly, more than 500 people were gathered at that place, wherein the permission was given only to a handful of them. And this was the thing that the court also mentions, that the district administration would have to be a little proactive in this issue and would have conducted mediation between both the parties and would have taken this forward in a way that was followed earlier years as well. But that didn't happen this time. There was a lot of expectations, and there was a lot of focus on this particular issue in Tamil Nadu especially. And now that the court has said that upholding Justice GR Swaminathan's verdict that the Kartikeya Deepam should be lit on the can be lit on the Thiruparankundram hilltop on the Deepathoon, that is the pillar, the lamp pillar post there upon the hilltop, situated close to this dargah. So now the tradition will carry on as the order of the court, the division bench has come forward. Now it is up to the district administration to again formulate ways to safely take on this tradition that would be again in a secured way, with police personnel deployed, enough security personnel deployed in that area, and make sure that no untoward incidents happen, and the lighting of this lamp goes on peacefully. Yeah.
All right, Belly, stay on with me. Now we are getting to know that BJP's K. Annamalai has taken to X, and he has posted, and I quote, "The Honorable Judges of the Madurai Bench of the Madras High Court have dismissed the appeal petition filed by the DMK government and the batch of pleas challenging the verdict passed by the Honorable Justice Thiru GR Swaminathan, and in their order, the Honorable Judges observe that it is difficult to comprehend how a mighty state could harbour the fear that permitting representatives of the temple and devotees to light a lamp on the stone pillar on a single day in a year would disturb public peace. The court categorically noted that such a disturbance could arise only if the state itself were to sponsor it." Now, I'll be taking you through the entirety of this tweet, where K. Annamalai has stated that the court categorically noted that such a disturbance could only arise if the state itself were to sponsor it. And they also said that K. Annamalai has further said that the bench further clarified that the Deepathoon situated atop the Thiruparankundram hill belongs to the temple, strongly cautioning the DMK government. The Honorable Judges remarked that the state should not stoop to such levels in pursuit of political agendas. The court also noted that the alleged apprehension of a law and order problem was nothing but an imaginary ghost conjured up by the authorities for their own convenience, with the potential to pit one community against another. We hope that the DMK government will stop its blatant misuse of power and respect the rule of law by allowing devotees of Lord Murugu to light the Deepam at the Deepathoon, as the court has rightfully affirmed. So, Belly, in terms of this, now we are seeing several reactions that are pouring in, especially in terms of BJP, which is slamming the Stalin government, saying that it should stop its blatant misuse of power and respect the rule of law. Obviously, a lot of politicizing of this issue is happening right now after the verdict by Madras High Court. Take us through more statements like this and the reactions that are coming in.
Ria, there are several statements coming in from political circles on this verdict that has come from the division bench of, the Madurai Bench of the Madras High Court, with the issue pertaining to the Thiruparankundram hill was actually mishandled by the state, is what more of the statements comes like, and the district administration has kind of blown it more in proportion, whereas they could have easily handled it as it was a regular tradition that was happening every year. So statements are coming in the way of blaming the government as to it was their problem that this controversy had grown to this level, wherein if they would have done it in a smarter way, that it would have been long over, and the Kartikeya Deepam would have even been lit on December 6th. The day it was supposed to be lit. So that also didn't happen. So there was a lot of apprehensions by the state government telling the court that there is this way leading to the dargah belongs to the dargah, so that doesn't belong to the temple. And there were arguments regarding that. And later on, like our guest was talking about the hilltop, the temple, the Deepathoon, that is the pillar where the lamp is lit, that belongs to the Jain community. So these were the arguments that were brought by the Tamil Nadu government, bringing in certain archaeological survey departments evidence as well, to reiterate the fact that it didn't belong to the Hindu community, but it belonged to the Jain community. So there are a lot of apprehensions as to this cannot be.
All right, Belly, stay on with me. I also have with me Vineet Jindal, Supreme Court advocate, joining me on the telecast. Vineet Jindal, now we have seen that in this order, the priority has been given to it's a win for the devotees at the end of the day, amid all of the politicization of the issue that was happening even right now. What exactly is your first reaction on this verdict?
Yes, Ria, but definitely it is kind of giving a constitutional right to the Hindus, basically, because this tradition has been going for a long time, almost a 40 years long period has been. The people of Hindu community has lighting the Deepam over there on a hilltop, but all of a sudden the government, the particular government, Tamil Nadu government, has been stopping this and raising question upon this issue. So one of the petitioners went to the High Court, and now first of all, the single judge has ordered. Now the double bench has ordered the same thing, and they have rightly said that this issue has been unnecessarily dragging into a politics, because it's a matter of the religion, the right of the people of the country. They have their own religious right. The constitution has given the permit about this thing, and I think this is a very good judgment, and this is a very happy moment for all Hindu communities who has been trying to deprive from their own right for performing their religious duties and rights.
And Vineet, my last question to you is, if you could break down for our viewers what exactly are the key takeaways from this judgment, so it could help them understand exactly what this means.
Yes, in this double bench order, it has been specifically stated, because all evidences put forward in a single bench, when the single bench ordered this thing, and it has been very much established that this particular ritual has been taken place since long, and there is no question raised by anyone. There are certain disputes regarding the land, but lighting of Deepam is never been an issue basically. So now all of a sudden this issue is raised by certain people, maybe due to some political reason, and that's why this double bench order has been specifically stated that this issue has been unnecessarily dragged as a political issue. So I think this is the main reason why this double bench has ordered to allow this lighting of Deepam, because this is a ceremonial ritual since long, is a festival, because this is not the thing that it is being taken on each and every day, because there are certain days when this Deepam has been there are Deepam lighting over there. So this direction has been issued because this particular thing has been going since long. There is no such objection from the other parties, even the Muslim community place. It has been very on a very distance, almost on a separate land. So I think these are the takeaways in this judgment, and this is a happy moment for the people residing in Tamil Nadu around this particular place to lighten the Deepam.